right, so this week's ChatGPT recipe is broccolini with some tri-tip, seasoned with kinders and potatoes. So the brief was, make the recipe easy, make it easy to cook, make it filling, but also make it healthy. So I started with the tri-tip. I had seasoned it before, so that wasn't just me seasoning right then and there. This is me air frying. I got one for Christmas because of my lovely, lovely boyfriend. And I've been using it like a insane amount. It's just so easy to use. The broccolini was a $5 buy at Safeway, which they do a lot of cool like things now where they do veg and you can get like, cut mushrooms or cut broccolini. And then of course I have to refer to my TikTok recipes because honestly, ever since Pinterest has gone downhill, TikTok has become my recipe center. Right, so I was just lightly sauteing them. I put some salt and pepper on the broccolini. I did use Kinder seasoning on the tri-tip, and it's actually really, really good. I love Kinders. They have great seasoning mixes. The broccolini looks so green and pretty. So I have never actually made steak like this before. I guess it's called pan searing. And so they were saying on TikTok that like you just, put 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other. My boyfriend was like, oh yeah, you got to let it like crust up, right? And I'm like, okay, like I don't even know what that means. This is me showing you guys the seasoning itself. So it's like wood-fired garlic, super good. Obsessed with this. Love it, love it. It's a little salty though, so be mindful. Yeah, so this was just me just trying to like take my time as it pertains to cooking. ChatGPT does a really good job of like hearing my brief. I will put a picture of the brief later. But yeah, I just really wanted something that like after a long day at work, you guys, like I was exhausted in this video. Like I had the craziest day and I just was like, you know what? I can't even talk right now. Like let's just cook easy, breezy, filling foods, okay? And so this is me plating it. Like I think the entirety of me like starting this cooked meal, so that doesn't include let's include it. So from season to about like saute, I mean, it really wasn't more than like 20 minutes. The broccolini, as you can see, is like that was the fastest part of the recipe, if not the second fastest, because having an air fryer makes everything super easy. And then literally the potatoes are ready within 9 minutes. I think I put 9 minutes on there and I took them out at like 6 or something. And I think they were at 375 at the end. I don't remember. And yeah, I was just like ready to eat. Like you guys see me moving and grooving because I was hungry, tired. And after a long day of teaching third graders, you just get to a point where you're like, yeah, sorry. Like I want to eat, I want to sleep, and I want to like wake up the next day and, have a little bit of life. So this was a mistake. I did not inform my boyfriend that I wanted to put it in the oven. And apparently, if you're pan searing, you can cut it just to sort of see where your redness is at. But if you plan on putting it in the oven, you actually shouldn't cut it because I guess it like lets the juices go out. But you guys are going to see something really interesting. But yeah, so I pan seared it on that side, back side, and then I literally just put it in the oven at 425 for about 10 minutes was my timer. And after that, it was pretty much done. The steak came out really delicious. And I was so shocked at how good tri-tip actually is. I've never really done tri-tip before. This was my first time. There is one thing I do know about steak, though, is that you have to let it rest. So we covered it in foil. I think we let it rest for like probably about like 5 to 10 minutes. And then once we came back to it, it was actually really, really good. So you guys are going to see that in a moment. Yeah, look at how much darker it got just from letting it rest. And so that is something I've now learned is that you don't just eat steak hot off the grill or the oven. Let it rest, let it sit still. And guys, look at this first cut. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Zang, look at that girl. That's her first time making tri-tip. Check out that juiciness. So Mark took those pieces because I'm not really like a bloody girl, but he likes the redness of it. I thought it looked really good. It was super juicy, you guys. Super juicy, super like medium rare-ish. I took the back pieces that weren't as pinky, but that is liquid gold, okay? I think so. I've never made steak before, but I'm calling it here. ChatGPT was the girl this week. She helped a sister out. She let me make a recipe in under about 15 minutes. And even after a long day with working with kids, I felt fine. And honestly, the recipe was completely worth my time. So if you're a teacher who wants to still eat good, please consult ChatGPT and TikTok for a great recipe. All right, y'all. See you later.